Hello and welcome to my scale modeling world. I am Tato Corvette and I've been building scale models all my life. Today I want to show you one of my first completions in a long time. This model represents my dream daily driver, a Laguna Blue C7 Corvette Stingray Z51. I started with Revell's 25th scale Snap C7 kit. This simple curbside kit is far from a serious model kit, but I put a lot of effort trying to make it halfway decent. Paint these scale finishes authentic Laguna Blue. This color was only offered in 2014, 15 and 16 model years. The C51 package includes upgraded brakes with slotted rotors, C51 specific wheels, and full-width rear spoiler among other performance upgrades. The car has red painted calipers option J6F. The interior represents a top-of-the-line 3LT Kalahari color option. This option included the top of the dash in Kalahari color in 2014 and 2015, but from 2016 onwards the top of the dash changed to black in the 3LT option, so this makes it a 2014 or 15 car. However, this car also includes the EYT carbon flash package option that was not offered in 2014, essentially making this represent a 2015 car. This option includes metallic black emblems front and rear, the Corvette lettering in the back, and the side Stingray emblems replacing the standard chrome units. I also blacked out the chrome bar in the grille, but this was not offered as part of the EYT option until 2016 model year, so I took a little artistic license here. Hey, it's my car. The ride height was tuned to my taste. I also added the front splitter and rocker panels in carbon flash, replicating option CFC. This car is fully legal with license plate and inspection stickers. Some key points include scratch-built aluminum exhaust tips, carpeting, added seatbelts and hardware, inside mirror, outside mirror faces, matching rotors, and scratch-built calipers, splitter, and rocker panels. I printed my own dash displays and gauges as well. So there you have it, my dream daily driver. I had a lot of fun building this. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.